Hi, everyone. My name is Nate, and this is my colleague, Jillian. Each year, $2 trillion of business equipment is sold in the US alone. $1 trillion is financed, mostly by small and medium businesses. But the business financing process hasn't changed in decades. It often takes days or weeks, it lacks transparency, and it's not secure. The current process involves a lot of waiting. Waiting for a finance proposal, waiting for credit approval, waiting for documentation, waiting for funding. Hours and days of borrower time is spent waiting.
QuickFi solves all of these problems because QuickFi's end-to-end platform is 100% digital and completely self-service. QuickFi enables banks and manufacturers to authenticate, approve, document, and fund lease and loan transactions in minutes, and for less than 1/3 of the traditional cost.
Let's look at a live demonstration. Jill works for Empire Bank. She has a business customer that wants to finance new equipment. Jill initiates the customer onboarding process by entering some very basic information about the customer. Now, you're probably used to collecting this type of information, so you don't have to watch too closely, but you will want to take note of the magic that's happening behind the scenes. Once the information is added, Jill selects the company from a credit database. Next, Jill enters information about the equipment. QuickFi instantly evaluates the company's credit based on the criteria and pricing established by the lender. Right now, QuickFi is performing fraud detection, OFAC searches, and verification of the business and the individual business contact. Imagine how much time you could save if your KYC and credit processes were fully automated. Within seconds, a credit decision is rendered and the customer receives an alert that their transaction is approved. Now, Jill will upload the equipment invoice. The borrower could be a physician acquiring medical equipment, a construction company acquiring a new excavator, or a manufacturer acquiring IT equipment. Once the setup is complete, the borrower receives a text notification that the transaction is ready to be completed in the QuickFi mobile app. Now, in case you weren't watching closely, Jill just completed the customer onboarding, business verification, fraud detection, and credit underwriting in less than 3 minutes. Think of the cost and competitive advantage for lenders that can complete these steps in 3 minutes, the same steps that would otherwise take lenders days or weeks to complete. Now, let's look at the borrower experience. The customer logs into the QuickFi mobile app where they'll see the pending transaction and the lender's branding displayed. After completing multi-factor identity verification and a facial recognition scan, the borrower will complete the transaction. They'll choose their desired finance structure, view the term lengths for which they qualify, and see the monthly payment update real time. Next, the borrower will confirm they received the equipment and verify the billing preference. The digital finance contract is generated instantly based on the selections made on the prior screen. Waiting for a documentation department to prepare and deliver paperwork is eliminated. Our contracts accommodate transactions from $5,000 to $5 million. And QuickFi empowers your business customers to complete the entire equipment financing process from anywhere, anytime, day or night. The customer sees all important contract terms in plain view, including the equipment invoice. With a single digital signature, the borrower completes the transaction.
And that's it. The transaction is complete. The equipment supplier is paid the next business day. And as the customer, I have all the loan servicing tools I need. I can see my signed contracts. I can initiate an early payoff. I I can view my monthly billing statements. And 24/7 live QuickFi support is always available.
There are millions of credit-worthy businesses that struggle to grow because of the time and cost of obtaining financing. With QuickFi, this process can now be completed in minutes. Our end-to-end platform can be set up and rolled out to a bank or manufacturer in 2 weeks. The implementation is simple. The API feed provides real-time accounting and collection data to the lender's existing accounting systems. Additionally, QuickFi offers solutions for every sales channel, including direct sales, dealer and vendor networks, and e-commerce. If you're a bank or manufacturer and you're interested in delivering a 100% digital, frictionless experience for your business customers that they'll absolutely love, while reducing your costs by over 2/3, we'll help you make that transition virtually overnight. Thanks for your interest in QuickFi.